Hey everyone, thought I'd do a quick video about the eclipse coming up on Sunday evening. It's going to be a nice treat. Not only is it a total lunar eclipse, but it's also occurring at the lunar perigee, or sometimes referred to as the supermoon. In other words, the moon is in its closest point in its orbit around the Earth, so it'll be a little bit bigger than usual. We have not had a total lunar eclipse with a supermoon since 1982. Won't have one again until, I think it's 2033, so a rare treat. And the big question at this point is, will we be able to see the thing? Well, here's a look at the GFS model cloud cover for Sunday evening, showing not a real dense overcast. Now, I think there can be some high clouds trying to squeeze in here, and this may obscure the moon somewhat, but I doubt it's, at this point, I doubt it's thick enough to cause too many issues. This is just one model. Some of the other models have different degrees of cloudiness. This is a forecast we're going to continually update, of course, over the next couple of days as we get closer to Sunday. All right, here's what you can expect Sunday evening. First things first, a little reminder of some 5th grade science here. A couple of terms here, umbra and penumbra. Penumbra is kind of the outer edge of the Earth's shadow. Umbra is kind of the inner portion of the shadow that the Earth casts. So as we go into Sunday evening, the moon's going to slip into the penumbra at about 11, I should say 8:11 p.m. Eastern. Now, you're not going to see a big change at this point. The edge of the moon on the right side will start to turn a little bit darker, but it won't be until the 9 o'clock hour that this will start to become real noticeable. The moon's going to get darker, and even that right edge of the moon will start to turn a little bit red as we go past 9:07, and the partial eclipse gets underway. But what makes this really cool is this will be a total lunar eclipse, meaning the moon will slip into the umbra, and at that point it'll turn a nice reddish hue for a good hour or so. And this is coming at a family-friendly time of day. This isn't in the wee hours of the morning. You can definitely, especially if your kids are a little older, of course, take them out and show them this eclipse. From 10:11 to about 11:23. Now, for a lot of kids, that's a little past their bedtime, of course, but especially if they're a little bit older, real good opportunity to expose them to some science, show them something really cool that they can witness only probably a few times in their lifetime. Now, once we're past 11:23, of course, the moon will slip out of the umbra back into the penumbra, and it'll just be kind of mostly dark with a little red on the left-hand side here past midnight. And then by 1 o'clock or so in the morning, the eclipse will be over, and that'll be it. So the best viewing times, again, roughly from 10 o'clock to about 11:30, with some darkening of the moon as early as 9 o'clock or so. Much more on the forecasting part of this over the next few days as far as the cloud cover, so stay tuned on that. If you have any questions about the eclipse, you can always hit me up on Facebook or Twitter. I'll be happy to answer them. Thanks for watching.